These are the presidential limousines. This was Franklin Delano Roosevelt's limousine when he was president of the United States. And this is a beautiful car. Turn this back up right. That's the back of it. This is really something. And look at this. Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And this was called the Sunshine Special. This was Franklin Delano Roosevelt's limousine from his presidency. And you can hardly do this car justice. It's so beautiful. Look at this. That was his limousine. That is something. And here's the front of it. Franklin Delano Roosevelt's limousine from the front. What a beautiful car. Oh my gosh. And then this is the back of Dwight D. Eisenhower's limousine. Presidential limo. And we're going to show you this stuff here. This is the bubble top Dwight D. Eisenhower. The bubble top 1950 Lincoln. And there's a picture of old Dwight. And it has this here saying thing on it, which we're going to go ahead and back up and try to read so we can read it.
So I like that from a perception standpoint.
Way cool. Look at this car. What a beautiful ride. Oh my God. So gorgeous. I'm going to try to get so that you can see the inside of it a little bit. There's the interior. Wow. How cool. Yeah. So there you go. There's the Dwight D. Eisenhower limo. It is such a cool looking car. Okay, we're coming up to the John F. Kennedy limo. This is so cool. This is John F. Kennedy's limousine. Can't really see the signs up there, but these are the president's limos. There's a picture of John and the First Lady. So let me step back here so we can get a great picture of it. So there's John F. Kennedy's limo right there. You can't see the inside of it very well, but I'm going to go ahead and try to get some pictures of the inside of it. John F. Kennedy's limo. Just got to have that. If I can get a couple pictures of it without the glass glaring. You can see how the back half of it came off, the back part of it, partition. And then here's what I can get of the rear of the car. And there's the front. Really sweet car, really sweet. And up here we got President Ronald Reagan's car. Now I'm doubling this up with my camera and with this just to make sure that I get all of this. And I'm hoping I can. So this is President Ronald Reagan's limo. And here's the board. The Reagan limo. '72 Lincoln. I'm going to step over here so I can get a good long view of this. So there's Ronald Reagan's limousine, his presidential limousine. I'm going to get the front of it, and I'm going to shut this off and take some still pictures real quick going back down the line. So there's the front of it. Okay, so I'm going to switch the camera off and video, and I'll get back with it later.